Hello friends, I am Ronia Chon, Associate Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Welcome to all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on rhinitis. So what is rhinitis? It is the inflammation of the nasal mucosal membrane which occurs mainly due to the cold, allergy or due to any flu. So depending on its types, it has been categorized into 4 types, that is allergic rhinitis, acute rhinitis, vasomotor rhinitis and medicamentosa. The allergic rhinitis, it occurs due to any specific antigen when it comes due to contact such as grass, pollen grains or any tree substances. And in the same way, in acute rhinitis, it occurs mainly due to the flu or common cold. So in the common cold, the organisms which are responsible for the acute rhinitis are adenovirus, rhinovirus or influenza virus. Next, about the vasomotor rhinitis. What is vasomotor rhinitis? Vasomotor rhinitis occurs due to any of the parasympathetic nervous system abnormalities, and it occurs mainly due to any of the diseases such as granulomatous, septal deviation, tuberculosis or any other certain diseases. Next is medicamentosa. The medicamentosa occurs due to any of the topical agents such as nusinephrin or ephrin. So how we can detect whether the person has got rhinitis or not? So the main cases for that is diagnostic testing due to the allergic testing. So how we will do it? It has 2 influences. We can take either a skin graft or we can do it by a blood test. So from the blood test we can find out which of the antigen triggers the allergic response. So in order that we send a specimen to the laboratory which helps to find out which of the antigen is responsible for the allergic response. Next is the rhinoscopy. Rhinoscopy uses a thin flexible instrument which is inserted into the nostrils, and it has a tool-like instrument which helps in removing the tissues. So we can send this tissue for the laboratory and investigation so that we can find out which of the causative organism is responsible for this disease. Now how we can manage this rhinitis? Rhinitis can be managed since it is caused due to any of the causative organisms. So we can manage it by the antimicrobial agents. So from the antimicrobial agents we can administer any of the antimicrobial agents such as ceftriaxone and decongestants such as xylometazoline, or we can also administer corticosteroids such as prednisolone. So as a nurse, how can we manage the rhinitis? What we can instruct the patients? We have to instruct the patient to properly administer the medication, and we have to ask them to blow their nose before applying the medication. Thank you. For further details, you can log on to our website www.gurukpo.com.